All right, gang. Good evening. This is going to be a week 6 update. It's going to be brief and short. We're going to only cover the changes that we took place the past week, um, and only touch on those dividends that we made changes to. Here's a quick portfolio review. Um, so right now we're currently up $3,600 for the week. Yes, currently $3,600 up. I mean, what am I saying? $3,600. $1,300. $1,300 a week. This is the weekend portion. As we can see here, we begin the week at about $3,200. We begin to come down this week and came down even lower. I was a little bit concerned about that. Simply because we had some growth this week, recovery. As I've said before, I'm not so much concerned with the individual stocks growth. I do try to buy as low as possible. And my goals, as always, is to accumulate as much um, individual positions, build my positions up, so to speak, number of shares. And and if over time the position grows from my low entry, then that's icing on the cake. And I may potentially shave off some, set a limit order to sell off a third of that when it's at its peak or when I think it's at its peak so that I can capture that growth or that profit on the way down and buy back at a low price. But if I don't think it's going an extremely high price, just going up a little bit, maybe $5, $10, I'm not going to really bother with it because I'm still near the bottom, so I could potentially buy at the low. All right, so here at the end of the week, begin to make a recovery that Friday, which was surprising. I wasn't expecting to grow, but I think there was some Fed news or some news in the market that caused the stocks to rally for the that Friday. So we made a recovery back up to $1,700, and right now we're back almost. If we go back, let's see here, a month or 3 months. Right here, we were at 34,638, and that was in around September the 28th. Back here in August, we was at 33, and so we're back here almost about where we were in the past 3 months because I hadn't been in this position with the high yielding ETFs no more than a couple months. So we're back where we were as far as equity growth in our account, which is good. Um, so let's look at our individual positions. All right, so with let's see here with this is Coney. All right, so this week it started out great this past week and will continue downward here around 12:55. I bought additional hundred and some. I think I had, what was it? I know I bought over 100 shares, I think, because I got 260, I believe. But anyway, I did that, bought some position. It came down. You don't never know where the bottom is going to be, so I didn't get it at these low prices. But we see here that we made a recovery, and we're almost back to where we were here at the beginning of the week. All right, and so that's where we are. Here we are again with Defiance. We added to this position. We added about 16 plus shares, bringing our share count to 24. And here we are with Misty for the week here in Misty. Um, we were here. We didn't add to our position any. And as I was stating earlier, on Friday, at the end of Friday, we began to reach a peak of 29.61. And so that's about where we are. So This past month, you see the growth that we've taken. The past 3 months, um, back here in July was at $30.50, and now we are just short under $30. So let's see if this week we break that barrier. Tesla, um, this is where we were for the past month. You can see that it's gone down. We That's about it for the past week. You can see it went down as well. No major changes here. We will be getting paid out this week in Tesla. Tesla, I forgot what's all in Group B. I mean Group C. Tesla, I know is there. Maybe AMDY and YBit. I could be mistaken. I don't remember right now. Let's see. I may have it pulled up here. Let's see. All right, here we go. All right, Group C. All right, so it's not Tesla. I'm sorry. It's actually Coney this week and AMDY. Okay, and Ulti if you got some of that. All right, so that's it. I'm out. This is a brief update. Not much to write about. Just some minor changes to our account. So Group C and Group D is where we're going to see the major changes coming out of our account. And then we should see our position start to increase going forward because now we're going to have this regular scheduled groups rotating each week, and we'll begin to retain some of that dividend um, payouts, and we'll begin to increase our position and watch it grow, and we'll use some of it to start paying down some of our debt. All right, I'm out, gang. Have a good one.